Who was Marie Curie? Once upon a time in Poland, there lived a curious girl named Marie Curie. She loved to read and ask questions about how the world worked. Because girls couldn't study science in her country, she promised herself that one day she would learn everything she dreamed of. When she grew up, Maria moved to France and became Marie Curie. She studied hard at the Sorbonne and met another scientist named Pierre Curie. Together, they worked in a small lab, studying a mysterious rock called pitchblende. After many months of experiments, Marie discovered two new elements, polonium, named after her homeland, and radium, which glowed in the dark. Her discovery of radioactivity changed science forever. Marie became the first woman in the world to win a Nobel Prize, and later the first person to win two Nobel Prizes in different sciences. Even after her husband's death, she kept working to understand how invisible energy could help people. Marie built mobile X-ray machines during the war to help doctors save lives. She shared her knowledge freely, believing that science should belong to everyone. Her kindness, bravery, and passion inspired generations. Marie Curie showed that girls can be scientists, dreamers, and discoverers. She taught the world that curiosity can change everything. If you love learning and asking questions, you can be like Marie Curie too. Watch and subscribe to BioUniverse Kids, where curiosity becomes adventure and every story brings new discoveries.